Now the news in detail. The main function of the birth centenary celebrations of Professor K.A. Krishnamurthy, an eminent teacher and mathematician who served at the St. Aloysius College for more than 4 decades, will be held at 10 a.m. on the 23rd of August at the Eric Matthias Hall at St. Aloysius College, Mangalore, said Mr. Walter D'Souza in a press meet.
Addressing a press meet at the Press Club in Mangalore on Friday, Mr. Walter D'Souza said the centenary function will be presided over by Mr. Vinay Hegde, Chancellor, NITTE University. Dr. M. Shantaram Shetty, Pro-Chancellor, NITTE University, will be the chief guest. Mr. Anand Krishna, Non-Executive Chairperson, Karnataka Bank, will release the souvenir. Reverend Father Denzil Lobo, Rector, St. Aloysius Institutions. Professor H. Giridhar, former HOD of Physics, Govindasa College, Surathkal. Professor R. Victor and Professor K. R. Upadhyaya, the former HOD of Mathematics, St. Aloysius College, Mangalore, will be the guest of honor. On this occasion, a souvenir commemorating the yeoman services of Professor K.A. Krishnamurthy will be released. The organizing committee will establish an endowment fund in the name of Professor Murthy at St. Aloysius College to popularize mathematics among students. The winners in various competitions held at different levels as a part of the celebration will be awarded prizes.
Professor K. Krishnamurthy on 23rd August 2013 at 10:30 a.m. at the St. Aloysius College. Individual invitations have already been extended to you. Professor Krishnamurthy was an icon in his own right, in his own profession as a great teacher, and has left several values to be emulated by colleagues, his friends, large circle of friends in and around Bangalore. We still come across admirers of him who are in their 60s and 70s who still remember Professor K. Krishnamurthy. The moment St. Aloysius College decided, along with his immediate successor as the professor and head of the Department of Mathematics, who was a student, who was a colleague, and later succeeded him, Professor K. R. Upadhyaya, who is not well, he just undergone surgery but is still here. That bears testimony to the fact that there was so much of admiration for this teacher. The public of Mangalore and this area, and many of his admirers will come to know through the media that we are going to have this celebration, and I am sure they will be there to participate in this function.
Reverend Father Sripa De Silva, John D'Souza and others were present at the press meet.
The District Governance Program I Love ISEF, Lions Club International District 170 and Sri Gurudeva Public Charitable Trust ODU have organized an inauguration ceremony of the first solid project at the Kalyana on 9th of August.
The District Governance Program I Love ISEF, Lions Club International District 370 and Sri Guru Devadatta Public Charitable Trust ODU had organized the inauguration ceremony of the first toilet project at Kanyana on 9th of August. The District Governor, District 370, PMJ Plan K.C. Prabhu inaugurated the first toilet project. First Vice District Governor MJ Plan Manjunath Murthy, District Cabinet Secretary M.C. Shetty, District Lions Coordinator Ashish Chandra Mohan and others were present.
The Lions and Lions Club of Mangalore Kudremukh, Lions Club Mangalore Lalbagh and Lions Club of Mangalore will be held in association with the AG Institute of Medical Sciences will be organizing a free and mega medical camp at the Government Primary School Kaur on 8th of August at 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. said Dr. Ramesh Pai in a press meet.
Informing to media people at the Press Club in Mangalore on Friday, Dr. Ramesh Pai said that Mr. Mohidin Babu, Honorable MLA, PMJ Plan K.C. Prabhu, Lions District Governor 3170 and AG Institute of Medical Sciences Dean will be inaugurating the camp. The main concept of this camp is mother and child, as women and children are the important category in our society to be addressed. Also, general medicine is added for the benefit of all men and women. Dengue and malaria cases also will be treated here. All types of medical facilities, gynecology, pediatric, general medicine specialists will be conducting the checkup. Regular medicines, blood tests, ultrasound scanning is being arranged on the spot at free of cost. It is informed that all the people are requested to utilize the benefit of this camp, particularly Kullur, Kavur, Marakada, Kunjadvail and Bondil areas.
For future is to conduct this camp so that there is an awareness of health in general public, and we will try to educate them as far as personal hygiene and other aspects of feminine problems which will be done by Dr. Kamath and his team tomorrow. And the pediatric age group will be taken care by the pediatricians, and general medical problems will be taken care by the general medical department. So we would like to impress that to the general public that when they come to the camp, they will be given a camp card, and their camp card they can bring to our Indian Institute of Medical Sciences POBD for investigation as well as an outpatient as well as if required on admission. So please make them feel that they are taken care of and we will definitely take care of them.
Lion P. Brahman, Lion Satish, Dr. Manjunath Kamath and others were present at the press meet.
Hi, this is John Abraham and you're watching Coastal Times.
ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮಗನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡುದು ಅಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಸಾಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಸಾಲ, ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲ ವಿಶೇಷ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ.
Welcome to an amazing experience in taste and luxury. Amazon Fine Dine, the family restaurant with the all-time favorite multi-cuisine menu. Relaxing ambience, lip-smacking taste, best variety of preparations and service with a smile. Free home delivery within 3 kilometers. Amazon Fine Dine, multi-cuisine restaurant, 3rd floor, Empire Mall, MG Road, Mangalore.
The Ocean Pearl presents Kashmiri Food Festival from 17 to 26 May, 11:30 AM to 3:30 PM and 7 PM to 11:30 PM. Experience the mouth-watering taste of an authentic Kashmiri dawat, a sumptuous array of milk kanti sheikh kebabs, Kashmiri Rogan Josh, Kurkur Roti, Waza Kokur Biryani, Rabri Nawab and many more. To relish the divine flavor from the kitchen of heaven at Koral Multi-Cuisine Fine Dine Restaurant. Visit the Ocean Pearl, Nawal Circle, Kadyalbai, Mangalore. For enquiry call 0824 2413 800. The Ocean Pearl. Welcome to hospitality. ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ನನಗೆ ನಾನೇ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿನ ಅಮೋಘ ಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವುದು? ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸಿದ ದಿನವೇ. ನಾನು ಅವಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಆ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳೇ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದ ಅಮೋಘ ಕ್ಷಣವೆಂದರೆ ಅವಳು ಹೌದು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿನ ಬಿಗ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಜೋಸಾಲುಗಾರ್, ಇದು ಬಂಗಾರದ ಬಂಧ.
The West Coast Tank Truck Owners Association has come to a conclusion to not report IOC Mangalore Terminal for loading. Nearly 230 trucks have gone on strike since the time given 16th of August for the purpose of an amicable understanding between the two expired today.
West Coast Tank Truck Owners Association has come to a conclusion not to report IOL Mangalore Terminal for loading. Nearly 230 trucks have gone on strike since the time given 16th of August got over today to come to an amicable understanding between the two. Speaking to Coastal Times, the contractors and members of the association, Mr. Sunil, Mr. Mohammed, Mr. Iqbal, Nilay and others said, during the physical verification and inspection of tanks, the Indian Oil Limited authorities had found out welding marks on the tankers and that tank was blacklisted according to the rules of the company. But some vested interest and a lobby is behind the scene and about 20-25 trucks are not been given loads in 6 months. In spite of letters, requests and reminders to all concerned MLAs, ministers and the others, there was no response. Hence, the association passed a resolution in their meeting not to report to the Indian Oil Mangalore Terminal unless they get justice, and the company was given in writing to consider the request within 16th of August 2013. On 16th, the company is pressurizing the association to start loading or even their contracts will be cancelled. Iqbal briefed about the problem to Coastal Times.
ಇದರಿಂದ 2015 ತನಕ ಟೆಂಡರಲ್ಲಿ 20% ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿಯವರದ್ದು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ CTMಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೇವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರಹದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ IOCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ವಿಜಿಲೆನ್ಸ್ನವರು ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ವೆಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಗಾಡಿಯನ್ನು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ IOC ಅವರು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿಯನ್ನು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ 11 ಗಾಡಿಯನ್ನು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ ನಂತರ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದು 8 ಗಾಡಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಗಾಡಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ನಮಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಉಗ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕರ್ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಇವತ್ತು ಲೋಡಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ ಪ್ರೆಸರಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರ ಇದರಿಂದ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಇಚ್ಛೆಯಿಂದ ಅವರಾಗಿಯೇ ತಾವಾಗಿ ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಂತು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟರ ತನಕ IOC ಅವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ತರಹದ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತೀಗ 12:30 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಷ್ಟರ ತನಕ ಯಾರು ಕರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಏನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುವ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ದು 228 ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಗಾಡಿದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗಾಡಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಒಳಗೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗಾಡಿಯನ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಗಾಡಿಯನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ UV ಅಶೋಕ್ ಎಂಬ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವನೊಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 10 ಗಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಹೇಳುವುದು. ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿ ಗಾಡಿಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಯೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿರುವುದು. ಆ ನಂತರ 2 ತಿಂಗಳು ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಅವರೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರೇ ಲೋಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವುದು. ಆ ನಂತರ ವಿಜಿಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ ಉಂಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಈಗ?
ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು
ಹೊರಗೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಂತ ಗಾಡಿ
19 ಗಾಡಿ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ.
ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೇಳುವುದೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ,
ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ ಈಗ?
250 ಯಾರು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಒಪ್ಪಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು?
ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಅವರು ಹಿಡಿದಂತ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಟೆಫ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಜೆನ್ಯೂನ್ ಅದು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಟೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ ಲೆಟರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟರ ತನಕ. ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲಾದಂತಹ 2009 ಇಂದ 12 ತನಕ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಜನರದ್ದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಆ ಡೌಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಲೋಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿಗೆ, MLAಗೆ, ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ DC ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, CTM ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, DGM ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, EDಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಎಂತ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬಂದಿದೆ?
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ 14ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆದ್ರು. ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡುದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಕರೆದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಲೋಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ಈಗ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಇಂದಲೇ ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
Hi everybody, I'm Usha Kutub and you're watching me absolutely live on Coastal Times English News.
ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆ. ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದತ್ತ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ.
ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಎಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಗುಂಪುಗಳ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಬಾರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲದ ವಸೂಲಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ 14 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 100% ಸಾಧನೆ. 12 ಗಂಟೆ ATM ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂಚಯ ಠೇವಣಿ ಯೋಜನೆ. ಠೇವಣಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನೆ.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ. ಸದಾಶಿವ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸದನ, ಕೊಡಿಯಲ್ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
Mr. Prasad, now you are all right. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಒಂದೇ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಂತ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್? ಅದು ಈ ಸಿಟಿಲಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಟ್ರಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ?
ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಟ್ರಿಯಾ?
2 ಎಕರೆ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 85% ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಾದ ಓಪನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಸೂಪರ್ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲೇ, ಕುಲಶೇಖರ ಚೌಕಿಲಿ. ಈಗಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಥ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು?
ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ.
For exclusive bookings, contact Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, first floor, Netravati Complex, Red Building, near Zarodi Temple, Bangalore. For booking and more details, call 890-400-1234. Our website is www.propertydealindia.com. Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, the professional real estate consultants.
Today, one looks back with pride and wonder on the transformation that has taken place at Kankanadi. From a single dispensary to a super specialty hospital, from 20 beds to 1,050 beds, from 10 health workers to over 1,500 doctors, nurses, technical staff and over 2,000 students. Father Muller is a byword today for service and dedication, for specific burning of cancer cells at their locations. We have all precision equipments and instruments for both invasive and non-invasive surgical procedures and diagnosis, including high reduction X-ray, ultrasonic color Doppler, CT scan and MRI machines. The operation theaters are equipped with contemporary equipment, high-tech intensive care units, neo and postnatal units, burns unit, cath lab and cardiothoracic units are fully equipped. Our NICU is the largest in the city. The blood bank and cell separator and casualty are 24-hour services. In all, we have 32 super specialty services including chest and allergy, de-addiction and counseling, dialysis and mammography.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Design at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore. Tejaswini Hospital and SSIOT and ISO 9001-2008 certified Shantram Shetty Institute of Orthopedics and Traumatology, 200-bedded hospital established in 2004. Specialized in neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, urology, plastic surgery, vascular surgery, has 4 ultra-unique laminar floor operation theaters which blows virus and bacteria. SSIOT, with the expertise of 38 years of Dr. Shantram Shetty, not only treats patients but also is fully fledged for accident and emergency treatment with experts in the field. SSIOT is a place for advanced technology of any joint replacement of the body. Tejaswini Hospital, Kadri Temple Road, Kadri, Mangalore. Telephone 222-5777, 222-5994, 95, 96 and 97.
Lions Club International and Secretary Ron Serenji had organized the District Cabinet members' schooling at the TMFI International Convention Center in Mangalore on 10th of August. Lions International Director and Motivator, Mr. Sunil Kumar, conducted schooling for all the Cabinet members of the District Ron Serenji.
There were a lot of themes, every district had their theme, every district had their culture. But what really matters is we've grown. And today we are. Most of you are members of Kishore's cabinet. I'm sure most of you are members of Prabhu's cabinet as well. And as members of a cabinet, I think all of us will not talk about, I'm not here to talk about your responsibility, must see a different change. Lions of India particularly must see a different change. We talk about blessed is the human birth. We are a representative of this character called human being because it's an incarnation that is not easy. And another very old book of India, Talk I Have to Be Born, it will take me 84 lakh incarnations. So I don't know whether we can wait that long. And if we can't wait that long, then it is important that we try and get on to an area as lions, as leaders in our own communities, be someone who's very prolific with this change. I have one lesson that I have learnt in life and I'm very proud of sharing it. Having tried and failed. Now look at this. Having tried and failed is understandable, is unpardonable. We can't not try in this world. If you're a member of a club, you're a cabinet member of a district, you're a district governor, you're a region chairman, you're a zone chairman, you want to become a governor, you're a lion, you're a lioness, you're a Leo, with the expectation of this world. I ask you one question. What is the difference between a human being and an animal? Can somebody try and give us that response?
Most genetic animals. I don't know if you're men or women. One significant change is that the more bother about your opinion about me. Is hungry for admiration. We want to be power enough to be able to appreciate that I can become someone huge impact on the people that we are.
To try. Better we take up, as lions, take up an activity. Doesn't matter if you don't achieve success. Kishore said this gentleman had conducted a peace poster contest. Who was that?
We had like Kamal Bukhana as our district governor then. My club asked me to do a peace poster contest. So I addressed the members. 5,000?
We will use that premises on a Sunday morning. Have a little bit of publicity. Maybe have students or children from all over Hyderabad come in here. We'll serve them tea, we'll serve them coffee, whatever. And we will have the best of the artists as judges to decide the 4 top paintings. And what we will do is we will print 1 lakh cards. Sure. I said, what does it matter? If it's not a good painting, fine, we will not print the card, but let's try. Not trying is, I believe it's not going to be working. And they said, no, we go with Sunil. We had over 1,200 people. I'm suggesting to you something that you could go back home or possibly visit a club and do this exercise. Have 2 boards. I'm giving you an activity for you to start opening the members' minds. Have 2 boards, and on 1 board, have 1 lion write examples of community service. Examples of community service program. On the other board, have another lion write down the examples of community development. Try to give a deeper thought into it. Is there a difference between community service and community? Is there a difference? Think about it. Is there a difference? You think there's a difference? Community development includes community service. But all community service need not be total community development. So we are expected to play a much more positive role as leaders, because we're talking about cabinet leaders. When you want to lead the change, lead the change in a manner that your leadership of the change is visible to your members. If you're talking about change and doing nothing about it, it will not happen. I addressed my lions in my city. We have 4 districts in Hyderabad. We have about 130 clubs in Hyderabad and Secunderabad, one city. I think we have about 2,000 lions there, or maybe more, much more, 3,000 lions. In one city we have, we have 5,000 lions in one city. What I asked them is, can we start a ladies district? Everybody got up. They said, what is a ladies district? So I said I'm going to talk to Vice President Barry Palmer. He's coming here 2 days later. I asked him this question last year. I said, can 4 districts identify 1,250 women, convert them into 35 clubs and have a proper women's district? And we talked about this to Barry Palmer. He was very excited.
An educational conference will be organized by the District High School Headmasters Association at St. Mary's English Medium High School, Kannarpadi, Udupi, on 17th of August at 10:30 a.m. at Congress Residency. That's all for now. We will have more news on the same channel at the same time. So then, goodbye.